Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your language on WeChat. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your language on WeChat, firstly go ahead and launch open your WeChat application. The homepage of WeChat application will appear on the screen. Click on Me button at the bottom right corner of the page. Click on Settings option. You will end up on the settings page of your WeChat's account. Click on General and on the next page tap on Language. Select the language that you prefer and tap on it. After you're done choosing your language, click on Save. This is how you can change your language on WeChat quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.